Good morning, students. Let us revise the full syllabus. I have prepared some questions for you, and you must go through it and do all the question of your own. In the Zoom classes, we will discuss your problem. So, the first question is, in what way does an idle machine differ from a practical machine? This is the first question. The second question is, which class of lever has mechanical advantage always less than 1? Why are they then used? Now, question number 3. A ray of light is going from air to water. The frequency of light in air is 4.5 into 10 raised to power 14 hertz, and the refractive index of water is 4 by 3. What is the value of frequency of light in water? Now the fourth question is, a print appears to be raised when a glass slab is placed over it. Draw a diagram to justify this statement. Question number 5. The refractive index for diamond is 2.42. So what do you mean by this? Now the question number 6. The focal length of a concave lens is 40 centimeter. Find its power. Now the 7th question is, arrange microwave, gamma rays, orange light, UV rays in increasing order of frequency. Now question number 8. Give two differences between natural vibration and forced vibration. Then the question number 9. How does the two sounds of same loudness and same pitch produced by different instruments differ? Draw diagrams to illustrate your answer. Now the question number 10. Out of glass and water, which medium shows more little displacement and why? Question number 11. How critical angle for a medium changes with color of light? The second is temperature of the medium. Now, next question is question number 12. Draw a ray diagram to show total internal reflection of a ray of light normally incident in one face of a 30 degree, 90 degree, 60 degree prism. Now the question number 15. A lens forms an upright and diminished image of an object placed at its focal point. Draw a ray diagram to show the image. Now question number 14. Define resonance. Now the question number 15. It's a numerical. a battery of EMF 15 volt and internal resistance 5 ohm is connected to two resistors 3 ohm and 6 ohm connected in parallel. Find potential difference between terminals of battery. Current in 6 ohm resistor. Now question number 16. There is a ship at a depth of 50 meter in a sea. From the surface, waves are sent to locate it. Find the time when the wave after reflection will reach the surface. State whether echo is heard or not. Give reason. The velocity of sound in water, that is 1400 meter per seconds. So students, just do all these questions and I hope it will give you enough energy to write the first terminal exams. Even you can go through once again. I hope you will be able to solve all these questions. Now students, let us revise. This topic, total internal reflection and refraction of light through 30, 90, 60 degree prism or right angle prism. First of all, just see from here, this angle is 30 degree, this angle is 90 degree, and this angle is of 60 degree. Now the ray of light falls normally on the surface BC. So without any deviation it strikes the surface AC. So this angle is of 60 degree, this angle is of 90 degree. So 90, 60, it means this angle is 30. So when it will strike the surface, the normal formed. It means this complete angle is of 90 degree and this angle is 30. So that is why this angle will be of 60. So 60 degree angle, that is more than the critical angle, that is 42 degree. So since 60 degree is more than 42 degree, so total internal reflection will takes place. Total internal reflection takes place. Now when this ray strike here, it forms a normal here. Now with the normal, it makes an angle 30 degree, which is less than 42 degree. So if the incident angle is less than 42 degree, it means refraction takes place. So refraction will takes place. So like this you can do it. So one more we can do. This is 30, 90, 60. Now the ray of light is coming from here and falls normally. When it strike here, draw the normal. This angle is 30, so this angle is of 90 degree, 90, 30, so this angle is 60, so this is 30, 30. Incident angle is the angle which the incident ray makes with the normal. So this is the incident angle, it is 30 degree, and this 30 degree angle is less than the critical angle. That is why the refraction of light will take place. And now in this case, this is 30 degree, 90 degree, 60 degree. Now the ray of light is coming from here. So it strike here without any deviation. Normally it will strike here. So this angle is of 90 degree, 90, 30, so this angle is 60. So this angle is 30 degree and this is the incident angle, which is less than the critical angle, that is 42 degree. So the refraction of light will takes place. So you must try all this of your own. And next let us discuss this example. Is it possible to burn a piece of paper using a convex lens in a daylight without using the matchbox or any direct flame? Draw a diagram to support your answer. Now this is a convex lens, and convex lens is also known as a converging lens. So this is the piece of paper. The parallel beam of ray of light are coming, and after the refraction they are meeting at a point which is known as focus. Once again students, the parallel beam of ray of lights are coming. After the refraction they meet at a point. So the piece of paper placed in the focal plane of the convex lens, so we can burn a piece of paper like this. So even you can try to draw this diagram, and then like this questions, draw two rays from the object AB, complete the diagram to locate the position of the image. So what do? You have to follow the two rules, any two rules, in order to form the ray diagram. So you can follow any two rules and just draw this ray diagram, and then here study the diagram below. So you have to complete this diagram. Now here it is written, name the lens LL dash. Since after the refraction the ray is diverging, so this is a concave lens. What are the points O and O dash? This is focus F1 and F2. Then complete the diagram to form the image of the object. Again you follow the rules, any two rule you can follow, and then draw the ray diagram. Next it is written, state three characteristics of the image. So after drawing the diagram, whatever the characteristics of image, you must write it. It is very important in all the diagrams, and this question will definitely be asked. What are the characteristics of the image? But as far as this concave lens is concerned, the image found is always virtual, erect and diminished. So like this you can prepare your cell. Thank you very much.